Yeah, it is another beautiful day as I welcome you to Menalights TV. And today, our lesson is going to be on change of subject. So when we talk about change of subject, it's about making a particular variable to stand alone. So we have this relation y is equal to mx plus c. And here we have to make x the subject. Now, the first we have to do is, since we are making x the subject, the things that are being added to x, we have to move it from where the x is. Now when you look at this is mx, that means the m and the x, they multiply each other. So for us to get x standing alone, we need to divide. But before we divide that, we need to send the c from here to where the y is. So since we send the c here is what? Positive. So when you bring it, it becomes what? Minus. So it becomes y minus c. Since we are looking for x not mx, we divide both sides by m and this side also by m. So here the m will cross out, leaving x alone, which means that our x is equal to y minus c over m. So in this relation, v is equal to 1/3 pi radius square h, and here you have to make h the subject. In making the h the subject, first of all, you have to know that this is a fraction, and we have to deal away with what? The fraction first. So this v is over 1. So what we have to do is what? We cross multiply. So we are now going to get 3v, which is equal to pi radius square h. And we have to make h the subject. And when you look at this, the pi and the radius, they are being multiplied with the h. So when the number is being multiplied, what we have to do is what? We divide. So we divide both sides by pi radius square, and this also by pi radius square. So when pi cancel pi, pi will cancel pi, the radius will also cancel radius, then we are left with what? H here, which means our h is equal to 3v divided by pi radius square. So let's continue by looking at this one. 1 over a is equal to 1 over b plus 1 over c. Here we want to make a the subject in this relation. Now when you look at this is fraction. 1 over a, 1 over b, and 1 over c. So what we have to do is we have to find the LCM for a, b, and c. And that LCM is going to be a, b, and c. So we are going to use the a, b, and c to multiply the terms that we have. So the first one, a, b, c times 1 over a. So here we have a, b, c times 1 over a, then a, b, c times 1 over b plus a, b, c times 1 over c. Then when you come to the first one, a, b, c times 1 over a, here the a will cancel the a here. So when we move to the second one, 1 over b, the b will cancel the b here. Then the third one, the c will cancel c here. Now let's get back. Now we have bc times 1, that will give us bc, which is equal to, then we have the ac times 1, we have what? AC. Then plus AB times 1, you get what? The same AB. Now, mind you, we are looking for A. We want to make A the subject, not AC or AB. So what we have to do is, now we have the A's at one side. So we have to factor out. So we have the BC, which is equal to, when you look at AC and then AB, A is common to both sides. So A out, we have C plus B. Now we are looking for A, not A, C plus B. So what we have to do is we divide both sides by C plus B, and this side also by C plus B. So here, this C plus B will cancel the C plus B that we have there. Then we are left with what? Only A. So that means that A is equal to BC over C plus B. So you can say A is equal to BC over C plus B. Now with the same relation, we are going to make another variable the subject here. Now let's make C the subject. So we have to make C the subject in this relation. So we have to multiply through by the SCM, which is ABC. So multiply through by ABC. So we take the first one. We multiply through by the SCM ABC. So ABC times 1 over A, ABC times 1 over B, and then ABC times 1 over C. Now we are going to cross out. So this A will cancel the A here. Then we are left with BC. Then we go to the second one, ABC times 1 over B. So the B here will cancel the B that we have here. Then we have AC left. Now when you come to the third term, this C will cancel the C here. Then we are left with plus AB. Then you have to make C the subject. So everything relating to C have to be what? Group at one side. So we call that one grouping of like terms. So we are going to group like terms here. So we have BC, the AC is here. So we are bringing this AC to where the BC is because we want to make C the subject. Everything related to C have to be at one side. So because of that, this is positive. So when we bring that becomes minus AC, which is equal to, we are left with what? AB here. Since we are looking for C, we have to make C, we have to factorize C out here. So C out, then we are left with B minus A, which is the same as AB. Since we are looking for C, we need to divide both sides by B minus A. So B minus A, and this side also. So we divide both sides by B minus A. So B minus A here, B minus. So this B minus A will cross out, and this side. So that means C is equal to AB divided by B minus A. When we are making C the subject. Now when you make B the subject, definitely you are going to get AC over C minus A. Now we have another relation which is V is equal to 1 over F plus 1 over C. And this time we have to make F the subject. So we are going to look at it and see how best we can solve this. Now when you look at this, 1 over F and 1 over C, and this V is definitely V over 1. So now we have fractions throughout. So we have to find the SL for 1, F, and C. That is definitely going to be FC. So we are going to multiply all the sides through by FC. So we have FC times V, which is equal to FC times 1 over F plus FC times 1 over C. C will cancel the C here, and then F will cancel the F here. So which means we are going to have FCV, which is equal to C plus F. And here we are making F the subject. So we have to group like terms. All the F's have to come to one side. So now we have FCV, which is equal to C. So you have to bring this F here to where we have the FCV. So we have the FCV. This is positive. When it cancels, it becomes negative. Minus F, which is equal to C. Now you want to make F the subject. So you have F here and another F here. So you have to factor out F. So F out. So if F is out, we are left with what? CV. So you bring the CV here. Then minus. So the F will go into F one time. Then we have it here, which is equal to C. Since we are looking for F, then you have to divide both sides by CV minus 1. And this are also by CV minus what? 1. Which means that here, this CV minus 1 will cancel the CV minus 1 at the down. And you are left with what? F there. Which means our F is equal to C over CV minus 1. So that's our final answer. We have another example. S is equal to UT plus 1 over 2 AT squared. So here we have a fraction there which is 1/2. So what we have to do is, you have to know this is 1 and this is also 1. So we multiply through by the LCM of 1, 1, 2, which is what? 2. So we are going to multiply through by 2. We have 2 times x, which is called 2 times ut plus 2 times 1 over 2 at squared. 2, we'll cancel the 2 here. So we have 2x, which is equal to 2 ut plus at squared. We have 2 ut plus at squared. Since you are making a the subject, we have to move this 2 ut to what? To where you have the 2x. So that's going to give us so we have 2x, which is equal to 2 ut, which is equal to at squared. A not at squared. Then we need to divide both sides by t squared, and this side also by t squared. So if this t squared cancels the t squared here, then we are left with what? Only a. So that means a is equal to 2x minus 2 ut over t squared. So you can rewrite as a is equal to so a is equal to 2x minus 2 ut all over t squared. Thanks so much for watching today's episode. Remember to subscribe to the channel Menalights TV for more updates.